you. The best part about this song is if you've got a basic handle on the 4 chords that go through the song, C, G, A minor, and F, and you learn this basic but recognisable bassline lick, then you can sound like a much more accomplished guitar player. Let me show you. We're on a 5-minute guitar lesson promise, so I better get started straight away. But hey, don't be intimidated by the fact that I am holding this guitar upside down. I'm a left-handed guitar player playing a right-hand strung guitar, but I've got the same issues and challenges that you do. All I got to do is get my fretting fingers on the right spots just like you, and most of the magic of the guitar happens at this end with the strumming and the picking. Right, let's make a start. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And a curious fact about this one, this ranked number 37 on Rolling Stone's 500 greatest songs of all time. Now that is super impressive. As mentioned at the top, this song has 4 chords that go throughout the whole song, and I'm going to show you the very basic version first if you're an absolute beginner. And you just do it with basic down strums. So we start on the C, G, A minor, F, C, F, C. I'll pick up the tempo. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Now, of course, that sounds a little bit robotic, so let's bring in a few little up strums. The strumming pattern here is a down, down, up block, all right? No woman, no cry. Can you hear what I'm doing there? Down, down, up, block. Now it's time to mix in that bass line riff once you've got that strum down pat, and it goes like this. Now just a reminder, I also do a full song sheet for every one of my lessons. You can see the link below, download it, it's on my Patreon page. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to practice and play this song. Now in terms of vocal ability, using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, I'd give this song a busker category. And speaking of Patreons, a big shout out to my current Patreons who continue to support me. You guys rock. Thanks very much. Okay, let's break down that bass line lick now. We'll do it in 2 halves. The first part of it is the C chord, and then you're going to walk down for C chord, and then you're picking the D string, which is the 3rd string, 3, 2, 0, back to a C chord. So C, 3, 2, 0, C, and then the second half of the lick is the. And what am I doing there? I've got the 3rd fret, bottom E string, fat E string, then I'm picking an open A string, 2nd fret A string, and then back to the G string. So it sounds like this. And of course I hammer on that A string. Right, let's put it all together. C, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. So let's move straight to that epic outro where it's the C, G, A minor and F over and over again. Just sing it with a bit of feeling and have a bit of fun. Everything gonna be alright. Everything gonna be alright. So there you have it folks. If you enjoyed this lesson, then I know you're going to like these songs down here and this playlist. There's bound to be something there you absolutely love. So check them out right now and I'll see you again next week.